In this video, I'll be showing you how you set up your MTN APN settings. Very simple. So now let's open our settings. If you are using an Android, yeah, it's very simple. You can do the same on iOS too as well by just navigating to your connection and the rest. I'll have to do that tutorial on my iPhone too. So now let's this for Android. So we are just going to search access point. It depends on the phone you are using. This is a Galaxy, so I could have moved to my connections, right? And then I'll move to my mobile networks, and I should find it here. Below you can see MTN here, access point names. That's the meaning of APN. So you just tap on that here, and you tap on this plus here to create a new one. So I'm going to show you guys what you need to enter there when you create a new one, or if you are using any different Android, just search access point. Good. And you see access point names, so we just tap on that, and it's going to refer us to the same side again, and you can see access point names for MTN. And then we tap on this here, and then the name, you are just going to name it internet. You don't need to do anything complicated, you just name everything internet. Let me double tap to copy. Okay, the APN name, the most important, name it internet, and I think that's it. And then you tap on save to save it. Yeah, and then you switch to this one. Rather, you can see there are a lot of them here, but then you switch to the new one and your internet should start working. That's it on how you set up your MTN APN settings on an Android. On an iPhone too, that's the same thing you're going to do. You go to your connections, go to your APNs, where you're going to find your personal hotspot names, APN, and the rest, your lights, blah 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 things there. You just enter internet there, you're good to go. Yeah, so that's it. If you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to the channel. Peace.